Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin. Over 130 million US dollars has been pumped into Terra Classic Coin in the past 15 hours. This coin is really getting a lot now, and I'm happy to see that some buyers, some traders are actually pumping more money. Now, Terra Classic is back on over $1 billion market cap, okay? And in fact, since the last 2 weeks, this market cap of Terra Classic have been going up and down, from 900 million back to 1 billion, back to 900. But I believe this time around, this is going to continue to rise. This will continue to hit back to 1.2, to 1.3, 1.5. We're hoping to see this continue to increase every day. And to me, I think gaining about $130 million in just a few hours is amazing. That shows that this coin, a lot of people have actually been pumping the money. And according to research, Terra Classic right now, people are really searching about Terra Classic, and even when you go to Coinbase, you can see this coin. People are also really searching about Terra Classic coin, and this is about 70% increase on market cap within the past 15 hours. That's 20 hours, and I believe that if this continue, might be seeing the market cap hitting back at $1.5 billion market cap, and hoping to see the day these coins will actually hit about $5 billion market cap, because that would definitely push Terra Classic to gain over 300 to 1000% increase in price. Now let's keep hoping for the best. Let's keep hoping that traders will keep in bringing the money, traders will keep pumping the money into Terra Classic, and I hope that other exchanges will also start supporting this coin fully. Because for me, if you ask me, I would say they are not really supporting Terra Classic fully. Most of them have actually listed this coin, but when it comes to say fully, it is only Binance, like I said, that are really supporting Terra Classic fully, because they are the one burning. The others are yet to burn the 1.2% tax burn. So we're hoping this year is going to be a different year for Terra Classic. This year, Terra Classic will be hitting 1% or even more than that. And I believe that if Terra Classic market cap can hit over $500 million within the 24 hours, up to $1 billion trading volume within 24 hours. This is going to help this coin to hit $10 billion market cap quick, which will definitely push Terra Classic to reach about over 1,000% increase in price, or 2,000% increase in price. CZ have continued to show great support, and we're happy to I would just say thank you, CZ, because you've never given up. You're the one giving a lot of people hope for Terra Classic coin. Now remember, this is on the financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision.